Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 34,400 after making a just high of 34,412. Today's low in Dow Jones at 24,260 and currently it is trading almost at the highest point of the day. Interestingly, Dow Jones have entered in positive zone, so let me give you the resistance and support. Dow Jones resistance stands at Dow Jones support stands at 34,250. Dow Jones resistance however stands at 34,520. Currently Dow Jones is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. Avoid going for sell till market is sustaining above 250. Once Dow Jones break 250 and manage to sustain below that level, then Dow Jones will enter in weak zone. After that it could test around 34,000 and 33,800. Let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart. Currently it is trading 14,503 after making a high of 14,530. It seems Nasdaq is about to complete a double top pattern. We need to see how does it proceed from here. But for now, resistance and support is here. Nasdaq support stands at 14,460. This is a very major support. I will tell you why. Resistance, however, 14,560. Currently, it is in positive zone, but it will enter in weak zone once it's break 460. Why it is a very major support? For two reasons. One, this is a neckline. And second, this will be a major trigger point for this double top pattern. So once Nasdaq break 460, try to exit all your long position if you are trading in long as of now. Let's move on to gold, then we will see crude oil. After that we will go for forex and cryptocurrencies. This is gold hourly chart. It recently made low of $1,764. Currently it is trading 1767. In fact, after making low, it updated a high around $1776. So gold is having very erratic movements, very big movements as of now. I won't say big movements, but yes, each candle is trading for $15 to $20. So let me give you the resistance and support, then we will of course discuss the trend. Current gold support stands at $1754. Gold resistance however stands at $1782. Gold have entered in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. But if gold breaks 1782 and manage to sustain above that level, then gold will enter in positive zone. Otherwise we are looking for more lower levels as of now. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil chart. After making low of $72, it have recovered smartly from 72 to 73.30. Currently it is trading $73.22. It has entered in positive zone, so let me give you the resistance and support. Crude oil support stands at $71.80. Resistance however stands at $74.20. Currently it is looking positive, so avoid going for sell. Let's move on to forex. This is euro chart. Currently it is trading at 1886 after making a low of 1882. In fact, it is trading at the lowest point of the day almost, because it just made low of 1882. Let me give you the resistance and support. Euro resistance stands at 1930. Euro support however stands at 1845. Currently it is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to GBP USD now. This is GBP USD chart. Currently it is trading 38.24. Recently made low of 38.21. It is also trading in weak zone. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Resistance stands at 38.90. Support stands at 37.70. Currently it is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's switch to cryptocurrencies now. This is Bitcoin chart. Currently Bitcoin is trading $35,900. It has recovered smartly from the lows, currently trading almost at the highest point of the day. Support stands at $33,900. Resistance stands at $37,300. Currently it is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. Let's move on to Ethereum. And before that, if you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. This is Ethereum chart. Currently it is trading 2182 after making a high of 2189. It have also entered in positive zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support. Ethereum support stands at $2,030. Resistance at 2260. Currently it is also in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. I will see you tomorrow same time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.